some energy. Show me some energy that are you truly excited to really soak in, because your excitement will decide how much you are soaking in, right? I would love you to write down what is your intention. Whatever is your intention, that is what you get. Okay? So write down, open up your first page. I hope all of you have got a new notebook. Get a new notebook if you haven't already. Open up the new notebook. First page, write down your intention. Okay? You can ask me in the chat if you want to ask anything. The reason I'm doing with 5 of you so that I can really concentrate. What is your intention from the session? What is it that you would love to have from the session? I want to attract abundance. I want to change the money game. I want to change how the relationship with money. I want to have more spiritual connection with money. Whatever it is, what is your intention? I would love you to just write down on the first page. So open up your first page and just write down your intention. What do you want from this course? Write down the intention. मुझे इस कोर्स से क्या चाहिए? Whatever is coming to you is the perfect answer. That is the answer. Well, that is what you will get. If you have written, you can just raise your hand or nod that yes, I've written. Written? Alright. And throughout the session, I would love to have one expression on your face. Which expression? Can you all wear that? No matter what's happening in your life. No matter what's happening in your life. Can we show the life that we are stronger than whatever is happening in our life? Can we wear that? Yes. Now I'm liking it. Okay? Okay, so just close your eyes and we will do a quick meditation to start up. More sacred you can make up this whole journey. We will start at 8:30 sharp, so join 5 minutes before, and we will end maximum till 9:30, 8:45, 9:15 to 9:30. That will be the range where we will be ending up, right? Light up a candle, bring a glass of water, make it sacred. Just put up an agarbatti, make it a sacred space where you are coming to actually change the relationship with money. Okay? Okay, close your eyes, just sit back straight and we will do a beautiful meditation together. Gitanjali, to become the best version of myself and become financially independent. Beautiful.
Everything that...
Just close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Let yourself relax completely in this moment. Let go of everything that's going in your head and let yourself relax. Take a deep, deep breath in. Hold for a moment and gently exhale. With every breath, feel your body soften Feel the weight of your thoughts loosening up. Right now, you are completely safe. You are here with me. You are here with Almighty, there for you. You are here in a very safe environment. Let yourself relax completely. This is your space to let go. Just enter the observer seat. Imagine yourself sitting in a quiet theater. So you are in a theater, quietly there. On the stage, in front of you, is your life. The problem you have been carrying is playing out like a scene in a movie. I would love you to observe that movie. You are not inside the problem. You are the audience. You are observing yourself in the problem. Feel safe, detached, and you are a quiet observer of your own movie. I would love you to notice the details, the people around, the emotions, and the conversations. Just watch. Now, just imagine the camera is slowly zooming out from the scene. First, it pulls away from the room, then the building, then the city, and soon you are going up, up, up in the sky. And you can see this complete scene playing from above like a bird, high up. From this height, your problem looks like a dot. The emotions lose their intensity. It is no longer overwhelming to you. It is just one scene in a much larger movie of your life. See the other side. I would love you to turn left. And now imagine that you have walked around to the other side of the stage. The other side of the stage, again there is a theater and a new movie is playing. The scene is same, but from a completely new angle. From this side, new details appear. Details you couldn't see before. Maybe there's a hidden opportunity. Maybe there was a hidden gift for you. But today you can see that whole scene, why that scene happened and why it is important for you in the current life. Maybe there is compassion for someone you misunderstood. Maybe there's a gift inside the challenge. And now, in the scene, it's showing you what the problem came to teach you. Maybe it taught you to stand up for yourself. Maybe it taught you to love yourself a little bit more. Maybe it taught you to be aware of your finances. Maybe it taught you to think before you speak. Change your tone. Whatever it is, you can see that written on the TV, theater, board right there. Now you can see how this scene was so beautiful for the larger life that is getting created. Now you can see the larger life where you have every single thing that you have desired. Every single thing, big and small, it's occupied with all the beautiful things that you ever desired. You are in a beautiful, beautiful room. I would love you to notice the details. Notice the bed. Notice the sides. Notice the color. Notice the curtains. Notice the lightings. Your study desk. Walk outside. What all is there? Is there a garden? Is there a swimming pool? Is there a beautiful ocean? What can you see around? I would love you to see that too. Allow the answers to come naturally to you. Allow yourself to dream beautifully. Allow yourself to see your amazing life in your health, in your wealth, in your relationship, in your happiness. I would love you to see your fortune. Fall in love with the fortune. Enjoy that beautiful fortune you are in. Just notice. Feel deeply, deeply grateful for everything that happened in your life so beautifully to make this happen in your life. Now just imagine yourself walking off the stage completely. You leave the scene behind. You step into a wide open field filled with light. The problem is behind you. In front of you, you can see possibility, expansion, freedom. And you breathe in the spaciousness that's there. You breathe in the clarity. You breathe in the power. And you breathe out the doubt. You breathe out the confusions. You breathe out of all the stuck emotions in your heart. Repeat to yourself, I am not my problems. I am bigger than them. I am the one who sees beyond them, and every problem has a hidden opportunity. Take one last deep breath in, slowly exhale. Take your time, there is no hurry. And when you are ready, gently open up your eyes and let this calm feeling be with you as you go forward for this next 45 minutes.
Are you all feeling more present? If yes, just do yes. Yes?
Yes, definitely.
Perfect.
Yes.
Amazing. Archana, For Archana, the timing might be at 4 a.m. in the morning, right? 4 a.m. So yeah, special. Let's all of us give a huge round of applause for Archana. It's 4 a.m. for her. She's in Europe. She's joining in from there. So great. And a huge round of applause to each one of you for committing for 21 days for your own self. So give yourself a huge round of applause because we don't know what will show up, right? But we have committed, right? That's beautiful. All right. So a warm welcome to each one of you from my heart to yours. I really value you. I really appreciate you. And that's why you are here. You have touched me somewhere and that's why you are here in the session, right? You already know that you are special and hence you are here. How many of you know that? You are special, hence you are here, right? Great. Perfect. The first lesson about when we talk about, can you see the presentation? Can you see me? Can you see everything properly? Okay. Yes. Keep it here. Alignment plus consistency is equal to rain of financial blessings. So no matter how much time you are putting up in cutting the trees, do you remember the story that we have listened in our childhood? You will have to sharpen the axe. Till the time we are not sharpening the axe, no matter how much hard work we are going to do, it's not going to actually work for us because we are not aligned. So it's very, very important that you are aligned with your own self, you are aligned with the abundance energy, you are aligned with what you want to actually get what you want. It will become effortless when you are aligned, right? So alignment plus consistency. When you work on yourself, when you work on your money beliefs, when you work every single day to create that connection with the divine, things starts to happen for you effortlessly. For everybody else, it may be hard, but you will not know how this has happened. Correct? But it will just happen. Even you will. Have you, like any one of you have experienced something like you're surprised, how has this happened? It was like a magical thing that has happened. If you have experienced, just do this. Have you experienced like suddenly something happened and you are like, ये कैसे हुआ लेकिन? ये हुआ कैसे? Correct? So that is very, very important that we all are living in miraculous zone. More you are in alignment, more you have opened the doors and windows, you allow the financial blessings to come to you. It's all there. Okay. So this is the base formula that I would love you to know and understand. Love is the magnet. Love is the magnet that allows all the beautiful things to happen in your life. Not the love which people show, where they are speaking something else and there is something else in the heart. Real, genuine love for people and souls around. Real love. Your heart should actually come out when you meet people. Do you have that kind of love in your heart? That kind of love I'm talking about. Because when you are in love, how many of you had your first love? Yeah? You've fallen in love. How was the feeling then? A very different feeling, right? Write down in the chat, how was the feeling? When you just fallen in love with somebody. Suddenly what has happened? I would love you to go to that time. Nothing was mattering to you. The feeling was special than anything and everything. You could have left anything and everything in that moment for that person. Yes or no? Out of the world. Right? Like, oh my God, what's happening with me? Right? So love is the magnet which will actually allow all the beautiful things to happen. So it is not something that you should be a good person. There is no choice if you want an amazing things to happen in your life. Be an extremely, extremely loving person. Okay? Ready to be that? When people should meet you, they should feel, oh my God, is she real or is she fake? Okay, that should be the feeling that should be coming. If that is coming, that means you have done the work. Because we don't see those people around, and I'm telling you, you will start shining no matter where you go if you start using love, real love, just seeing the soul. No matter you like that person, you don't like the person, we all are souls from one world, and that's why you love the person. Getting me? Are you able to understand? So, love is the magnet. Start producing more love for your family, for neighbors, for souls. Have love in your heart. Carry love like a Kohinoor in your heart. That is your magnet. You can't let it go. Sometimes we can't love a person, it is fine. Can you move to someone else you can love? I'm not saying leave that person and love somebody else. No, I'm talking about, can you move your attention from that person? You hate your mother-in-law. Can you focus on your husband that, okay, I love this man at least? You don't love a friend, can you focus on some other colleague that, yeah, this colleague I really like? That means you should be sitting in love all the time. Getting me? If you're getting me, just do this, right? Sit in love all the time, right? I'm seeing each one of you. Okay, great, perfect. So let's move. The whole game for 1 month will be to master the feelings of love. Manisha, I don't feel love. It's okay. We will do that. Okay, the exercises will help you do that. Don't worry about that. You will immerse in that. Your heart will start vibrating at a new frequency. Anytime you see a problem in your life, what to do, Manisha, when some problem comes, when some big happenings come in your life, right? I know some of you very deeply. I understand each one of you. I know something major things are happening in your life, right? What to do? Zoom out. That means I would love you to zoom out of the issue and see what's on the other side. Okay, I am surrounded by this problem, and I would love you to see what if all of this will get solved, and on the other side, what's there. No matter what the problem is, I would love you and encourage you to see what's on the other side. Can you all promise me to do that? What's on the other side? On the other side, it's perfect health, perfect harmony, perfect people, perfect love, right? So what's on the other side? Everything amazing, correct? Train your mind to see the other side. Just train it, that I would love to see the other side. Rather than saying I have to attract abundance, I would love you to say I'm one with abundance. I'm one with money. That means you and abundance, you and money is not different. You are also made of atoms, and money is also made of atoms. We have studied in chemistry, right? Chemistry class. Now start using that in real life. You don't have to attract abundance. You are one with it. That means you don't have to attract light. Light is already there around you. Correct? So I am one with money. Okay, let's start the first exercise to master the feeling of love, because we understand that love is the magnet that should be there in our heart, real love all the time. So I would give you 5 minutes. I'll play music. I will love you to write, what do I love around me now? Anything. I love this cup, right? I love this book. I love this phone. I love this table. I love this light. So I would love you to look around in the room and look for the things that you love around in your life right now. So in your life and in this room, 2 categories. In your life, what are the things that you really love? Okay. And in this room where you are sitting, I would love you to look around and see the things. What are the things that you really love? Got the exercise, all of you? It is a written exercise. You will write it. Okay. So let's do it. anything coming in your mind, please feel free completely. It is a non-judgmental room. Nobody is judging anybody. Feel free to ask. All right? It can be people, it can be things, it can be experiences, it can be memories, it can be anything. The feeling that should be associated should be love. Just feel the love while writing. So I would love you to immerse yourself. What do I love more? What do I love more? Keep asking. Okay, all right. What is the number of things that you got in your list that you love? Write down the number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let me see who is the winner, who got the maximum things that they love in their life right now. 15. iPhone, I will write your name. iPhone. Anu. Kajal 19, Dr. Lalan 5. Only 5. Increase the things that you love, okay? Today you will buy 5 things that you love. You will go in a market and the only condition that you will see is what are the things that I love. It can be a cup, it can be a new t-shirt, it can be a hat. Just buy something that you love. That will be the category. Okay. Kajal 19, Dr. Lalan 5, but I love the honesty. Kanchan 40, okay. Oh, great. Gitanjali 19, Anu 50. All right, beautiful. Got it. Are you feeling little bit love in your heart after doing this? Right? Chota, na? Right? Little bit of love increase. I would love you all to hold a glass of water. If you don't have, bring it. Hold a glass of water. Water has memory. How many of you know that? Right? So Dr. Emoto is a scientist who actually did the experiment where he gave different emotion to different water, like love, peace, happiness, anger, hatred, jealousy. So there was negative emotions and there was positive emotions. And then the ice crystals were freezed. You can also actually do this exercise if you want. You can give that emotion for the whole day and you can freeze it, one with the negative emotion and the other with the positive emotion. And then when you freeze it, you will see the water crystal, the whole ice that will be there, the ice that you will get. There will be distorted ice that will be formed, which was given the negative emotion. And there will be a beautiful structure ice that will be formed that has been given the positive emotion. You can see with the microscope to have a more like a better view of that, but you will be able to see that. Okay, so water actually absorbs the frequency, so it's very important, and that's why if we go like हम पहले की बात करें तो पहले के लोग कहते थे कि कहीं का भी पानी मत पी लिया करो, है ना, या हम लड़की के घर के पानी नहीं पीते. Have you all heard that? Right?
Yes.
There was a reason for that. It's not just superstition. उसका एक कारण, उसका एक reason था, क्योंकि the water actually absorbs all the everything that's going on in the house, in the locality, in the city. It just absorbs it, and that's why we see different like if we are hearing people from UP, there will be different language that they talk. Not just language, the way they talk. Just by knowing the way they are talking, we will say कि ये यहाँ के हैं, because water has frequency. So what we will do is, I'll give you 2 minutes. We will charge our water with this line and then you will drink it. Ready? Okay. So what is the line? I am receiving all the riches. Riches just not doesn't mean money. Riches means love. Riches means abundance. Riches means I am like, oh my God, I think something and it happens. So money is one thing. So apart from money, love, opportunities, synchronicities of your life, things happening smoothly for you, all of this is riches, right? Correct? We are 3 sisters, and I always feel my parents have been very spiritual from the time we were very young. I have always seen for him, people get confused, or they have to just get married. One daughter, they will be like our chachas, and everybody has one daughter, and they are so much like, okay, how will I do the marriage, how will I do everything, right? But they have 3, and it has been so effortless. 2 is already 2 of us, like the boys' parents only came to our house, and now the 3rd one will get married in Rishikesh. So it is in November. It's a destination wedding, and it happened so effortless is my point. Effortless, right? So when you are in alignment, things will happen to you effortless. The only condition is, are you in alignment? Okay, he is there to give you everything. Are we receiving? So I am receiving, be in the receiving mode. All the riches the universe has for me now, and I appreciate it. So this is the line I would love you to do together. Got it? Can we do it? Let's do it.
Yes.
So I'll give you 3 minutes. Understood the exercise? You will hold your glass of water, okay? And you will repeat this line for the next, how much time we have? Next 2 minutes, and then you will drink the water. Okay, let's do it. Got it, all of you? Show me your glass of water, all of you. Show me your glass.
I have my bottle, but I hope it works.
It will work. It will work. Yeah, Dr. I also have that glass. Yes, Dr. Lalan has a good size glass. You can drink like for a good time. Yes, Anu has a glass. Archana, do you have glass? Yes. Okay, yeah. Everybody has a glass. Perfect. Let's do it. So I'll play the music. I would love you to give this line to the water, see it and give this line. Okay, let's do it. You just needed to just say this line to water, right? Say this line, you have to speak to the water and then drink the water. That was the activity that we were doing. Okay, Anu? Got it?
Your voice was not there, so मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया.
Did because a line was there in this, so I was just muted so that all of us.
Okay.
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 Okay. Now I would love each one of you to just drink that water. If you have done any of the other programs, it cannot happen that I've not talked about it, that wherever your water is, I would love you to charge that water and drink that water. It's very, very important. Okay? So either keep bhajans playing there, either keep your affirmations playing there, but it should be charged water. Don't drink water just like that. Take a moment. Give it your energy and drink, no matter where you are getting water. Okay, got it? So now when you receive water, you're not going to drink it just like that. You're going to give your intention, who you want to become. You want to become peaceful. I love how peaceful I am. I love how peaceful I am. I love how peaceful I am. And then just drink the water. You want to become abundant? I love how abundant I am. And then drink the water. Right? All right. Let's move ahead. If there's any debt, okay, how do I overcome all the debt that is there on my head? You don't need to think about debt, because more you are thinking about debt, you are putting your energy there, and more you are putting your energy there, you'll be attracting that in your life, right? So debt word we are not going to use in our life, even if you have it. And all the practical exercises that we are doing here will help you to overcome that. You don't have to, so your focus should not be on debt, your focus should be on abundance. Not on lack, but on abundance energy. Getting it, all of you? So anytime there is debt, anytime there is like, oh my God, how will I handle so much? Suddenly so much I have to pay, or whatever comes. Your focus should be on abundance energy rather than lack energy, right? Got it, all of you? If you got it, just do this, or you can do this. I will see. Okay? Great. Code of honor, do your best. Don't force yourself. Some exercises will come very, very naturally to you. Like, oh my God, I was one with the exercise. Some exercises will feel little bit of, you'll struggle with it. It's fine. It's the perfect part of Cinderella's story where everything becomes fine at the end. So you don't have to worry about that. Oh, am I doing it right? You are doing it right. Okay, you are doing it right. Just trust yourself that you are doing it beautifully, perfectly, and I'm always there to actually help you. Taste change हो गया water का. Absolutely, that's so true. Taste actually gets changed. True. You drink water just like that. You give some beautiful affirmations and then drink the water. There will be different taste to the water. That's the best proof. Fully commit to the process. Fully immerse yourself to the process, and every single day write down the synchronicities that has happened, because now you will step into miraculous zone, because it's a longer journey that we are going. 21 days journey is not a small journey that you are in, right? 21 days journey is a beautiful journey to immerse yourself. So you will see miracles happening, you will see synchronicities happening, you will see कि ये कैसे हुआ, you will see that, oh my God, all of the things will be happening. So I would love you to document it on an every single day basis before sleeping. What miracle I noticed today, write down. What miracle I noticed today. You will write down in your notebook every single day before sleeping. No recordings will be given. Recordings is only for the internal purpose. At the end, I will see if we can do that. But for now, no recordings. Share your wins in the class to multiply the effect. I would love you to be very, very open about everything that you have achieved. Don't think nazar lag jayegi. Right? I would love you to, there's nobody here who is there in that energy. All of us are in a different energy. So don't think about that. Oh, if I share, I don't know, it will stop happening. Some of us have that connection, right? More you will share here openly, be completely honest, be completely in that loving energy, more you will completely be your own self, more you will see things happening. Just open up yourself, be completely honest with your own self and be that. Okay? Are you all agreeing to do that? So share your wins in the session. Don't worry, कि कोई नजर नहीं लगेगी. All right? Keep your video on. That's the reason the 5 of you have got selected. 1 extra or 2 extra, if you can see, it's only because the date that I have given, that date, it was not done. So that's why that person, I gave the opportunity to one more person, and then both of them came for it, and then I was like, okay, let both of them come, right? So I actually sent it to 5 people. One of them actually came a little bit late, and hence. All right. So be kind to your own self. Don't bang yourself. Oh, I have not done this. Don't. Be kind to the people here and be kind to everybody, not just to myself, but to everybody around. Join 5 minutes early so that you are in it completely, right? Everybody agreeing with the code of honor, just say yes, right?
Yes.
Thank you. Basic alignment. What is the desire? What is your desire? I would love you to just write down one desire that you would really, it can be a long-term desire, it can be a short-term desire. The desire, you should really want that desire. You should really want that desire. We will align, now the whole exercises, the 21 days, we will align you with that desire. Are you getting it? So think of one desire. It can be any desire related to your relationship, related to your happiness, related to health, related to money. Obviously, because this is the whole money thing that we are talking about. So this is more about money. So we will be focusing all the time on abundance and money. But you can take any desire for you that is important. In the healing session, it's only healing, right? The deeper healing, the inner child and all of that. But this session is more about mastering the money game, the abundance game. So what is the desire? Write down. What's the desire? Can you write that? And actually your desire is whatever is coming without thinking. You don't have to think enough actually. It will just come to you. Yeah, I want this. Even if I wake you up at 3 a.m. in the morning, you should be knowing your desire. That kind of attachment, not attachment, that kind of one you are with that you exactly know. So what is the desire? Okay, now, written all of you, what is your desire? Yes? What is the desire? Just write down the desire. Now I would love you to make 2 columns, put a line. What does the desire look like on one side? And on the other side, what does the desire feels like? So what does the desire look like on one side? On the other side, what does the desire feels like? Can you see? It's there on the screen. What is the desire? एक तरफ look like and दूसरी तरफ feels like. Whatever is the desire, let's say your desire is, give me one of the desires, or let's take any random desire. Let's take your desire is 1 crore, right? Is your desire. 10 crore is your desire, or living a healthy life is your desire. Whatever is your desire. Now, what does the desire look like? If you are saying 1 crore, 10 crore, whatever amount you are saying, 1 lakh, what does the desire look like? That looks like you open up your bank account and you can see that number. What does the desire look like? You can see your house a certain way. What does the desire look like? You can buy whatever you want to. What does the desire look like? You can travel to different countries, right? What does the desire look like? You can do so many things for people now, right? What does the desire look like? You can give openly. You can be super duper kind, right? No matter who comes to God sends, no matter who comes to you, you will be just giving energy without thinking, right? So what does the desire look like for you? Are you getting me? So what does the desire look like? Then the second, so first of all, let's do what does the desire look like? कैसा दिखता है to have 1 crore? कैसा दिखता है to be in perfect health? Maybe you can do stretching, maybe you can do swimming, maybe you can walk for longer hours, right? Maybe you can do the back bending, maybe you can do the Sirshasan, right? Whatever, how does that desire look like? If you have understood, just do this. If you have not understood, I'll explain it a little bit more. Understood? What is it? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
I want you all to be super interactive so that I can see and understand that where are you, what are you doing, and how is it going. Okay, so I'll give you how many minutes we have. Okay, let me give you 2 minutes. Let's do how the desire look like. Only look like you will be finishing. How does the desire look like? of you got something. How does the desire look like? Correct? Now let's come to the other side. What does the desire feel like? That means feelings, emotion. Do you feel? So you can see that amount in your bank account. You can see that perfect health. You can see that abundance in your life. Whatever your desire was. You can see that beautiful relationship with XYZ. Now, how does the desire feel like? So connect with your emotion. Emotion is a very powerful magnet. Okay? So I would love you to connect yourself with that desire. How does it feel? Now it's there. I've done some Jadoo Mantar. Okay, it's there in your bank account right now. Okay, you can see that right now. How does it feel to you? So, how does the desire feel like? Do you feel more secure? Do you feel, oh my God, I'm so much loved by the universe? Do you feel happy? Do you feel joyful? Do you feel divine child? Do you feel one with the universe? What's the feeling? I would love you to deep dive. Feel it's already there, and how are you feeling? Are you feeling deeply grateful? What's the feeling coming to you? It should be your feeling. Okay, so connect with it and then write. So I'll give you 2 minutes, write down, connect with that. Got it, all of you? What you need to do? How will desire feel like? Let's do it. Okay. All right, we'll stop here. Tomorrow we will go into more alignment, right? So let me stop sharing. Each class is connected to the next class, and that's the reason I said that it's very, very important to be super duper consistent in the journey so that you are getting the flow, right? And you are in that flow. Are you all feeling a little bit? We are just in the kindergarten play school today. Okay, we have just entered the play school of abundance. And as we will go forward, we will go LKG, UKG, class 1, class 2, class 3, 12, PhD, UPSC level, all in the same, right? In the next 21 days. So are you feeling a little bit more aligned with your desires? Let me know, are you feeling more aligned? We have 2 minutes. Anu, yes.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, great. All of you feeling more aligned, just do this, right? I can see. Great. So we are just in the kindergarten. We have just started, right? We are not in a hurry. We have to just slowly and steadily and consistently beam this energy, right? So we'll see each one of you tomorrow, and just fold your hands. We will do a quick prayer, and then I will let each one of you go. God, may everybody who's there, each one of the problem which is there in their life should be taken away by the Almighty. And let's bless each one of them with abundance, with prosperity, and whatever intention they have set for themselves. Please shower them with all your blessings and help them to be in their alignment, help them to be in the flow, help them to be consistent, help them to do this every single day for themselves so that they can attract, so that they can be one with all the divine energy that's there in this universe. Soak in all the love and blessings and give love and blessings to each one of you. So love and blessings to Dr. Lalan, Gitanjali, Kanchan, Archana, Kajal, Anu, all of you. Whole day, just be in this energy completely. This is your alignment energy. Be in this alignment energy, and we'll see you tomorrow at 8. Okay, put up an alarm, all of you, and get the sheets Xeroxed. You all have got sheets, 21 days sheets, WhatsApp, all of you. Okay, get it Xeroxed. Okay? Okay, thank you so much. Let's do our hug, all of you. Come. Let's do a hug and then we will go. Let's do our soul hug. So it doesn't matter, male, female, we don't see at it, we just look at the soul. So let's do a hug. Lovely. Bye, take care.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, we'll see you tomorrow.